name is Kang. I'm the vocal artist, main artist. Yeah.
Currently, I have my art works exhibiting at Miami, Palm Beach, and South Korea. I have my own studio in Brea. I started a relationship with the museum about 10 years ago. And it started off with my students, exhibiting in Muzeo, but now I am actually exhibiting my own artworks at Muzeo. Actually, it's called like monochrome in the United States. This art, dansekwa, it's originally came from monks that painted same thing over and over on the art piece. But I actually created my own, getting inspired by God's word and God's spirit, so that when I create it on the piece, I actually scribble God's words and over it with the cross, layer it over and over. Before I even start my art, I always take a walk, and when I pray, I see nature that God created, and then colors or the natures around me, and I get inspired by that. The art piece that's behind me, it's called the Ocean Sunset. Due to the pandemic, everything, the world has stopped, and a lot of people were in a mourn and having a hard time. By praying and blessing and into this art piece, and I want people to come and look at it and get inspired by my artworks. So you can find me or more of my artworks at Instagram and YouTube, and you can just type it up, my name, Hyun Kang.